Hello everyone, and I always say welcome back to my channel, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to like this video and make sure you share this video to your friends. Today we're going to learn about the easiest way. I'm telling you, this is the easiest way to screen record on your PC. In fact, you don't need any additional software, you don't need any external software to download. You can actually use a particular software on your PC installed on your PC right now to screen record. And for today, I'm going to show you how to screen record with that particular software. No need to download any additional software. Let's go. Alright, so for you to be able to screen record on your PC, I want you to click on your Windows button or open all the apps on your PC. Okay, so click on that button over there and then look for Microsoft PowerPoint. Look for PowerPoint. I'm going to use PowerPoint to record our screen. So after clicking on PowerPoint, it's going to load. Okay, so when your PowerPoint loads, you just open a blank presentation. Okay, just open a blank presentation. And when you open a blank presentation, you see this button over there. It's called recording. Okay, so you're going to tap on the recording button. Okay, so you see that button there called recording. Just tap on that button, recording, and then when you tap on the button, automatically this window should appear for you. So when this window appears for you, the recording doesn't start automatically. You need to do some additional settings for your recording for your PC recording to actually happen. So for your additional settings you're going to do is that you're going to select the part of your screen that you want to record. So sometimes it might happen that you don't want to record your full screen but just a section of your screen. So over here you see this button over there called select area. Just click on the button and then you can drag your mouse across the screen to select which part of the screen you want to record. So if you want to record the full screen, drag your mouse over your PC from the corner to the down corner. Just drag your mouse pointer over the screen. Okay, so you just do that and then your whole PC screen is going to be grabbed. After you drag your mouse pointer across your whole screen or the portion you want to record, you see there's a record button. That's the red button over there. Just click on the record button and then automatically your screen starts to record. So you can actually do whatever you want to do on your PC that you want to record. So in my case, I want to record a portion of a video on my PC. So I try to open this video on my PC and then it comes with an audio. Okay, but don't forget your recorder can actually record the audio of your screen recording. Yes, this recorder can do that. Okay, so let's record a lot more. And then so for you to stop it, just for you to stop the recording, drag your mouse pointer to the part of your screen. You see, just drag it over there to the upper part of your screen to help you to stop your recording. But remember that when we started our recording, there was an option that came that you can stop our recording by using the Windows key plus the Shift key plus the Kill key by pressing all three at the same time. Okay, so you can either use that button, or maybe if your shortcut is too cumbersome for you, just drag your mouse pointer at the upper part of your screen and then this dialog appears. So from the dialog that appears, you can see the stop button. Okay, so what you can actually just do is that you just click on the stop button. Okay, you can also do some other things over there, but then you can actually stop your recording from here. You can pause your recording. Okay, so then you resume it by pressing the same button, and then you can choose to make your mouse pointer vanish during your recording, and you can also choose to make the audio stop during recording. These are other options that are there for you for your screen recording. Okay, so you realize that it comes with so many exceptional features with your Microsoft Word. So I stopped my recording and then automatically this window should also appear when you stop your recording. So when you stop your recording, the video you recorded automatically should load inside of your PowerPoint. So you see that mine has loaded over here nicely for me. Okay, but the thing is that we need this video recording, we need to save it on our device. Okay, so for us to save this video recording, there's a couple of steps we are going to follow. Okay, so for now, let's try replaying our video to see if it's recorded very well. We want to save our recording. See, there is a button there that is called what? Export to video. Please do not attempt to use this button to save your recording. Okay, this is because it's going to come with so many other errors that you might not like. Okay, so I'm training you this so that you don't try it at home. But then the most appropriate way is just right click on your video and then you see this button, save media as. Save media as. So you click on the save media as, this pop-up appears. So I want to save my recording as recording 1. Okay, so I just save it. Let me actually save it on my desktop. Okay, so I save my recording 1, so automatically the video is being saved to my desktop recording 1. So you see it over there. So now let me open it and try to see if everything came out well. And yes, everything came out so well. The audio is playing fine, my video has been recorded so far, and that is it. This is how I just did my simple video recording. Okay, so like I said, let me show you the export to video, what it actually does, the problem it creates. So here I select, let's say I want to select Ultra HD, and then I create a video. So let's say I want to save my video at let me save the name as Red 2. Okay, so I'm going to show you the problem that's going to be caused, and then I try saving it. Okay, I didn't right click, I just did that, and then my video is down there, Red 2. Okay, so now I'm going to try replaying my video for you to see something, and then an error appears. You guys saw the error, right? Your input cannot be open. Okay, that is why it is always advisable to rather right click on the video and then to save media output instead of exporting the video. Okay, so now let's try to, I'm going to show you something additional. Busy Dev channel always gives you an additional tip when you are on this channel. Okay, so an additional tip is that you can actually record your PC sound, or you can record audio on your PC with the same point. So how do you do that? For you to do that, you see there is a button over here called what? Audio. On the same recording panel. Okay, on the same recording panel there is a button called what? Audio. So the thing you do is that you click on the audio, and then when you click on the audio, an option comes for you to record your sound. So for you to record your sound, you click on record sound, this dialog appears, and then it's no complex thing, click on record sound. Okay, so I'm going to intentionally record my sound into my PC, and then let's see how this goes. So I go ahead to record. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So after I'm done recording, I just click on OK, and then my audio is over here. Okay, so with this audio, I go through the same options that were what? Save media as. Okay, so let me save it the same name as, this time around I'll save it as media 4. Okay, so I play my media 4, and then let's see how my recording went. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. Voila, you see everything went so well. So with my Microsoft PowerPoint, I've been able to do 2 things today. I've been able to, 1, record my screen, and I'm able to record what? My PC sound. I didn't need any external software. Okay, so try this. Let me know in the comment section if this worked for you. If it didn't work for you, please let me know in the comment section. If there's anything you want me to also feature on my YouTube channel, please let me know. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like this video, don't forget to share this video to your friends. Bye bye, and see you in the next video.